Alright, hey girls, it's Diamond Mine and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is being sponsored by XrsBeauty. You girls know I love me some XrsBeauty Hair, child. So I was so excited when they reached back out to me and wanted to sponsor this video. So yes girl, we're going to get into it. We're going to talk about it. We're going to get all the juicy details. I'm going to give all the juicy details on this wig. So let's get into it and let's talk about it. So before I jump into the install, I want to talk a little bit about the single knots versus the double knots. Now, I don't talk about this really at all on my channel, but I feel like it's so important to make sure you're choosing the right type of knots when it comes to getting a natural install. So the single knots have smaller knots and it's much easier to bleach, whereas the double knots have bigger knots where it is a little bit more difficult to bleach, where you have to let the bleaching product stay on the lace a little bit longer. So looking at the knots is a great way to determine if you have a quality lace. Again, big thank you for XrsBeauty for sponsoring today's video. So I want to zoom in on the hairline. And of course, the knots on this wig is single, so you're going to get a natural install simply because the knots are smaller and it's a lot easier to bleach. Now, with this particular lace, I did not have to go in and bleach the knots, nor did I have to pluck the hairline. So as you guys already know, I can appreciate installing a wig that doesn't require a whole lot of my time because I really don't have time for it. So as you can see, this wig comes with two braids because y'all already know I cannot braid for nothing. So I was really excited when I got this wig in the mail for the simple fact that it had two braids in it and I don't have to try to figure out like a cute style. So I'm going ahead and cutting off the lace. Now this lace is a little too light for my skin, so I am going in with the Got to Be Glued hairspray just to try to darken the lace and get it to melt into my skin. Now because I'm having a little issue with the lace blending into the skin, I'm just going to pull out some baby hairs. So I pretty much got my baby hairs the way I want it to be, but I am going to go in and try to cut around the lace a little bit more just to make sure I don't cut the braids because the lace is a little light for my skin. So because this wig does come with these two beautiful braids, I am just going to add some curls to my hair. I'm not going to take the braids out because y'all already know I can't braid for shit. So it's like, girl, use this style to your advantage. Now, I'm not sure if all of XrsBeauty wigs for this particular wig comes with the two braids. If it does, I'll leave it in the description bar. But I would hope it does just because it's a super cute look. So I picked up these gold clips to go in my hair because I knew I was going to keep these braids, but I wanted to kind of add some accessories to the hair, and these clips are just too small for my braids, so I'm just not going to be able to use the gold clips. Now, here is where I made a mistake. I shouldn't have put like any type of mousse or anything on the braids directly because it did make the braids kind of frizzy and not as clean. Now, when it came to washing this hair, I was just very careful to make sure I did not frizz up the braid. So I made sure I washed the lace inside of the wig instead of applying the product directly on top of the wig. So I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with the two ends that was attached to this braid. So I just decided to curl the little pieces, and then I'm going to connect them inside of the curls some sort of way. But yeah, this hair is so soft. I don't think I've ever had this type of texture from XRS before. So yeah, this was a super cute, fun hairstyle. I've never done a style like this before, and honestly, I have to do more looks like this. So I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and I am just fluffing out these curls to get some volume on top. And then I'm going to go in with some concealer just to define the part a little bit better. If this wig does not come with the two braids in the front, I would highly suggest this look because it's just so fun and cute. I just love this look. So anyways, I'll have all the tea below on this wig in case you want to purchase it. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. Bye guys.